Hey my lovelies, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. There is a bell icon just right beside the subscribe button. Do click on it so you'll be notified all the time whenever I put a new video. So let's start about this video. Let's talk about this video. So this video is basically about these two products. So I've got this product from Oriental Botanics brand, and I'm gonna try these two products in this video and give my honest review about it. So you can see my skin is completely ruined. It's like there is a lot of discoloration. I have tan, I have bumps around my forehead and a little bit bumps around my cheeks. I have 1 or 2 pimples, and I'm not gonna assuring you that these two products are gonna help this in just one use, but I have very high expectations from these brand because I've been using this brand's shampoo and it's been helping me. So I'm literally looking forward to try these products and let me see how this works for me, and so I can give my honest review to you and you can get it if you like this video. Yeah, so without further ado, let's just get into this video. So firstly, I'm gonna try this product. Let me just tell you what this product is. It is from Oriental Botanics Aloe Vera Green Tea and Cucumber Peel Off Mask. They have this entire regime going on. It's a theme going on of aloe vera, green tea and cucumber. You have face wash, you have face cream, you have under eye gel, you have a lot of things, and it clearly says it has no paraben, silicone, mineral oil or sulfate. It suits all skin type. It's a 100 ml product and the price of it is 349 rupees. They sent me this product to try and give my honest review to you guys, so it is helpful for you guys to understand how this product works, and it's a yay or nay that I can tell you in the end of this video. So do not forget to watch this and do not leave this video in halfway. Watch this entire video so you can understand my entire review about this product. So I'm going to try this product first, apply it, peel it off, then I'm going to move on to the next product, which is Oriental Botanics Tea Tree Serum, Australian Tea Tree Serum for acne prone and oily skin. So my skin is combination skin, but I have too much oil production on my T-zone and I have acne prone skin too. You have seen my skin disasters, and let's just not go there. So yeah, it hydrates skins, soften our skin and brighten our skin. So this is this retails for 1,499 rupees. It's almost 1,500 rupees. It's 20 ml product and it also has no parabens, silicone, mineral oil or sulfate. So let's just jump into the video. Let me just apply this and let me give you my review about this first. So this comes in a tube like this, and I'm gonna just apply. I'm gonna open this up. So let's just see how this product works. So I'm gonna show you the consistency of it. So it has small particles as well. I'm gonna take it on my, and I'm gonna apply it directly. It's a peel off mask, so I'm just gonna apply it just like that. So the application is done. I have a little bit tingling on my skin, but I always get tingling because my skin is really sensitive. But this tingling is a little bit extra than usual tingling. I'm just gonna wait and see what happens, and I'm gonna get back to you once this is tried. as you can see, I washed my face, as in after peeling that mask off, I washed my face. So I just wanted to tell you that this mask did made a difference in my skin, as in definitely it's just one use, so you can't see the like a lot of difference because my skin was not in a good condition, but it did. It's a peel off mask, so it helps to remove your blackheads, whiteheads and fine hair. It completely detoxify your skin, take out the clogged pores, clear the clogged pore, open up and take out the entire gunk stuck in your pores and make your skin healthy and let it breathe nicely. So when your skin breathes nicely, you feel rejuvenated. And cucumber is to soothe out your skin. As I said, you can use it on sunburn. Aloe vera, you can use it on sunburn. It makes you feel like it's nice and calm. And see, everything is written over here. If I read it, you will completely understand. It rejuvenates your skin, dull, tired skin, with the most effectual, detoxifying, hydrating and nourishing skincare botanical offered by nature with Oriental Botanics aloe vera, green tea and cucumber peel off mask. The mask absorbs impurities and toxins from the surface of your skin, and it helps to pull out blackheads and whiteheads and unclog the pores. Aloe vera hydrates the skin, restores its suppleness, while cucumber cools, refreshes and revitalizes. Loaded with potential antioxidants, green tea helps rescue your skin from environmental damage induced by free radicals. The face mask contains papaya extract to assist in exfoliation of dead skin, where I was saying there is some particles in that. And nourishment, vitamin B5 and E are infused in the face mask. With regular use, it restores oil and pH balance, refines skin, boosts clarity and increase radiance. The result is clear and glowing complexion. Yeah, I did get a lot of glow, but it's not that visible because my skin was really tan, and you can see under eyes and everything, it's too much. But they claim if I use it regularly, and it's a peel off mask, I won't suggest you to use every day. I'm going to suggest you to use once or twice a week. I would use twice a week because my skin needs it. But there is a little bit I want to talk about this mask, that I've used another charcoal mask. Charcoal mask helps take out your blackheads and whiteheads so nicely. It did take out my whiteheads, but it didn't take out my blackheads that much because it's nice. But I just noticed this one thing, that it didn't remove my blackheads. But apart from that, to clear and clean your clogged pores, this is the best option, I would say. Again, the application was so easy, it dried, it didn't take that long, and to peel also it was very easy, it just came in one go. But make sure, I did one mistake, I applied around this area, I would have taken my hair completely back, my hair was stuck on it and it was getting pulled. So make sure your facial hair and your hairline is far away from the hair peel off mask. So this was my review about this product. So now let's move on to the next product. So as I have washed my face first, then I applied the peel off mask and then again rinsed my face. And I am doing it at night time, so I am not gonna skip this method. This is my toner and I used from Wow. At the moment I'm using this one at night time. And yeah, I never skip my toner because this only keeps my skin tight and firm. So yeah, I'm gonna use this tea tree Australian serum from Oriental Botanics. So the serum is of 20 ml and this comes in a nice glass little bottle and it has a dropper. So you can see. Let's apply this. So this is a 20 ml bottle and it comes with a dropper. The application was very easy. The packaging is really nice. It's a glass bottle. It's sturdy. It's nice and lavish. And This serum hydrates your, yeah, I do feel hydrated. You have to just take a few drops on your palm and just apply it, and then after that you have to wait 5 to 10 minutes. Once that is done, completely dried, then take your moisturizer and apply your moisturizer. Then you're good to go. It keeps your skin hydrated. If it reduce the oil production onto your skin, so your pores doesn't get that much clogged and you don't get pimples. It's for acne prone skin, so this is really good whoever has acne issue. And I like it. It has a little bit strong fragrance, which I don't really appreciate, but it's okay if I have to work upon other things that I have to manage with something. I really don't like the fragrance, but rest of the things I like it. And yeah, it's not that non-greasy. It's a little bit sticky on your face, but yeah, they claim after 5 to 10 minutes you have to apply your moisturizer. So I would suggest go for oil-free moisturizer. That would really help you. So yeah, this was my review about these two products. And if you want to buy these products, then go check out my description box. I will put the links in the description box about the website. So if you put that code OBYT15, you will get discount, and I will put that link in the description box of this website, of the brand's website, and you can buy it from Amazon as well. So I will give you Amazon link as well, and you can see a code on my screen. You can put that code onto this website of this brand, and you can avail your discount on that website. So that's it for this video. I hope I have given proper review about these products and you have liked this video. And if you have liked, then please give me a big fat thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that already, and if you have done, then thank you so much. Keep watching my videos, keep loving me, and I will give you good content like this forever. Love you. See you next time in my next video. Bye.